Guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to mint F assets on Coston 2, which is the test network for mainnet, and then we're going to deploy them on Kinetic. This is going to be a demo and it's going to be exactly the same once it launches. So you have to go, this is Bifrost wallet. I'm going to go to advanced developer mode to enable the test network. And then I have this address, which I will share in the description. You go here, connect wallet, and then we're going to do mint F assets and wallet connect. So you have XRP and Flare. And then here you have your Flare address over here. And then down here you have your testnet XRP address. So if you press here, you can go and get the test tokens either way. So just copy and paste there. So let's do mint. I have 11 lots that I can mint. Let's do next. And then I'm going to do two transactions. One where you reserve the collateral, that's in Flare, confirm. And then the next operation is where you deposit your XRP. And that's going to take a couple minutes, and then that's it. Confirm. So you see how I'm paying 1.1 XRP as fees. So we're still waiting for them to arrive. You can see here the transaction in progress. Okay, I'll be back when this is done. Okay, so while we wait, let's get some more XRP. So I'm going to copy my testnet address, go to testnet XRP, and then you press your address here. I want to get 100, which is the maximum. Verify you're human, get XRP testnet. Perfect. So if we go back, then we should have 100 XRP extra. All right, this is not quite yet. I'll come back when it's finished. All right, so I have my 115 F-XRP. So now I'm going to go to, let me close this thing, dev.kinetic.market. All right, so dev.kinetic.market. This enables me to connect on the test network. I'm going to connect, Bifrost, Flare Coston 2, connect. And then I'm going to do deposit, choose F-XRP, and I'm going to do max, approve on supply. And then I first approved, and now I'm signing to deposit. And that's it, guys. So now if I go back to my dashboard, you will see that I have 150 F-XRP supplied. And actually, let me see if I can borrow. That would be fun. Borrow. Supply, use as collateral. Perfect. So now the collateral is enabled. And then if I go to borrow, I can borrow USDT 0. Sweet. So now I borrow USDT 0 based on my F-XRP collateral. And then with that USDT 0, I can go and do a liquidity pool, or I can also deposit it back into Kinetic, and then I get some extra yield. And yeah, so here it is. I have borrowed and supplied. This is going to be exactly the same dynamic once F-XRP launches on mainnet. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful, and I will see you next time.